Good morning, girls. Happy Wednesday to everybody. So today we're going to talk about suffixes. I hope you remember the words suffixes and prefixes. I'll remind you the difference between suffixes and prefixes. 2 weeks ago, about or so, we were talking about prefixes and where they go in the word. If you may remember, they go at the beginning of the word and they add a slight change to the meaning, or they can change the meaning of the word completely. For example, if we have a word possible, something that I can do and something that I cannot do would be impossible. So I used here the prefix im. But today's lesson is about suffixes. We're talking about suffixes ible and able. Well, suffix ible and able have meaning of something that yours things can be suitable or capable, or they have this ability to do it. So one of your activities today will be to write down the bits in your notebook and identify the suffix in every single word. You'll have 20 words, so you'll need to circle in each word suffix. Okay, but this is the next activity. So first, let's review their meaning. The first word we have is sensible. So I put here a picture of a face because sometimes the word sensible is mixed with the meaning of the word sensitive. A person can be sensitive, but a skin can be sensible to cold or to change of water or to change of lotions. So the skin can be sensible. A person is sensitive. Washable. In this case, I put some crayons. Washable means easy to erase from a wall. What else can be washable? Paint. A paint on the wall where you can actually use crayons, and the crayons are washable from a wall that is covered with a washable paint. Okay, the next word is available. So, and I put an image that no image available means there are no things. It's in this case available. Uh, there is. It's another way to say there is. Are you available? Is it possible to talk to you? Are you free? Okay, available. Agreeable. A topic can be agreeable, or point of discussion can be agreeable. Means we can search for solutions and agree on them. So agreeable. Fashionable. A clothing can be fashionable, means it's still in style, it's still used. Fashionable. Valuable. Brought here some coins that have a value, that are expensive, valuable, and you can sell them for a specific price. Valuable. Flexible. And if the first word was sensible, and I told you that a person can be sensitive, but a skin can be sensitive. Flexible can refer to both objects and people. Okay, the schedule can be flexible, a person can be flexible, or different objects. They can move in different directions. Flexible. Reasonable. Reasonable is something that when you give proofs and you understand them. A person also can be reasonable in this case. Means the person understands the reasons you're giving. Or you can say you need to be reasonable. Like you need to make sense or to understand what you're saying. Favorable. Well, the decision can be favorable. It's in my favor. I like it and it helps me. Favorable. For example, address a situation. Schedule also can be favorable for me. Breakable. Here we have a word fragile or fragile, how they say it in British English, something that easy to break. Breakable, a glass or a crystal. They're very fragile and easy to break. Convertible. This is a word that refers to a car that has a roof to be removed, can be removed the roof from it. Convertible. Okay, the next word we have is forgettable. Something that easy to forget. Maybe a movie you watched once that did not catch your attention. Maybe it was a joke, something that is very easy to forget. Forgettable. Laughable. A joke, a story, something that is funny. It's laughable. Sociable. Means friendly. Somebody who likes to be around people. Allowable. Well, in this case, I put a picture of something opposite. Remember the homophones we worked with, like allowed, right? Maybe the cameras are not allowed in a museum. So allowable is possible. The next word, divisible. And I brought some math rules here. I like this one. It's pretty simple to understand. The rule and the meaning of the word. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 5 or 0. In this case, 15. 15 is divisible by 5 and the answer is 3. The next word, hospitable, friendly. This guy, a hoster, he is hospitable to the guests. The next word, reversible. Oh, look at this picture. This picture is actually reversible. It's the same picture. This guy has a very fancy hat. He has curly hair and he smiles. He's happy. This guy, on the other hand, has no hair. Probably that's why he's not happy. But he has a beard and he has very sad eyes. It's the same picture, but it's reversible. Something that you can turn upside down. Sometimes clothes can be reversible. Okay, the next one, responsible. This is easy to explain. I have 21 girls in my class and they're all super responsible and they know their chores and activities they need to send me every day. Thank you, ladies, for being so responsible. Tolerable. Our last word, tolerable. And I put a picture of that represents an error. Tolerable is when we tolerate the mistakes that are done. Tolerable. The situation can be tolerable. It's not that bad. Okay, so these are the meanings for the words that I prepared for you today. And now it will be your turn to work using these words and searching for suffixes in each of them. Okay, I'll be waiting for your pictures. Take care, girls. Enjoy the rest of the Wednesday. Love you, tons. Take care. Bye-bye.